Welcome, future accounting rock stars. As someone who's walked in your shoes years ago, I know that landing your first accounting job is a monumental accomplishment. And let me tell you, I'm genuinely thrilled to share some seasoned advice that I wish I'd known back then, designed to help you not just succeed, but truly excel in this exciting new chapter. Let's start with navigating your accounting system. Every company has its own accounting system, and becoming proficient with it is key. Here's what you should master. Journal entries. Learn to perform a simple journal entry in the accounting system. This fundamental task will clarify the entry's structure, its fields, and the transaction flow. Batch uploads. For multiple line entries, understand how to upload them efficiently. There's often a template or specific process, like using an ISD in some systems, that can save you a lot of time. Copying entries. Familiarize yourself with how to duplicate an existing journal entry. This is a common time saver for recurring transactions. Reversals. Know how to reverse an existing journal entry correctly. This is crucial for correcting errors or handling specific accounting treatments. Reporting and inquiry. General ledger inquiry. Be able to run a GL inquiry to view all transactions for a specific account within a given period. This is your go-to for investigating account balances. Financial statement generation. Understand how to run a balance sheet and an income statement. These are the core financial reports that tell you about the company's financial health and performance. And also learn how to export your data from your accounting system into convenient Excel or PDF formats. Beyond the system, understanding the company's unique financial landscape is critical. Chart of accounts. This is the backbone of your company's financial reporting. Don't just skim it. Study the definition and typical use of each account. Understanding the chart of accounts will help you categorize transactions correctly and interpret financial data. Prior audit reports. Reviewing the last few audit reports is an invaluable exercise. It will give you a clear picture of how the company's accounting practices are viewed externally, highlight any areas of concern, and provide context for current processes. Entity structure. Familiarize yourself with the departments, subsidiaries, and intercompany transactions within the organization. Understanding your responsibilities. For your assigned journal entries, get a list of prior entries. For each one, locate the supporting documentation, backup, and meticulously study how the amount was calculated or derived. This will help you understand the rationale and ensure accuracy. Account reconciliations. The same principle applies to your assigned reconciliations. Examine prior reconciliations and their supporting backup. Understand the reconciliation process, how variances are identified, and how they're resolved. Training sessions. When receiving training, politely request that it be conducted on a platform like Microsoft Teams or Zoom and recorded. This allows you to review the training sessions as many times as needed without repeatedly asking your colleagues for clarification. It shows initiative and respect for their time. Excel mastery. This is non-negotiable in accounting. If you're not proficient, you'll work slower and be more prone to errors. Focus on these critical functions. Pivot tables. Essential for summarizing and analyzing large data sets. Sum ifs, or SUMIF, for conditional summing, incredibly useful for various analyses. XLOOKUP, for efficiently finding data in tables. XLOOKUP is the modern, more robust alternative to VLOOKUP. Invest time in learning basic financial modeling. This foundational knowledge will empower you to create more sophisticated, dynamic, and effective Excel templates for analysis and reporting. This skill will also significantly impress senior management. While I'm not affiliated with them, I highly recommend checking out Kenji Explains on YouTube. They do an excellent job of teaching Excel concepts specifically for accountants, getting straight to the point with practical examples. Automation tools. Beyond Excel, explore if your company uses any other automation tools for repetitive tasks. Understanding and utilizing these can save significant time. When your general ledger balance doesn't match the correct amount, e.g., bank statement, use T-accounts, or, what I like to use, a 3-column mindset to fix it systematically. Here is how the 3-column mindset works. The first column is what it should be. Identify the correct, reconciled balance from a reliable source. The second column is what was booked. Note the current balance in your GL. And the third column is the adjustment. The difference between what it should be and what was booked is the exact debit or credit needed to correct your books. This approach ensures you make the precise journal entry to fix the discrepancy. Communication is key. These are some tips for good email etiquette. Use clear and concise subject lines that accurately reflect the email's content. This helps recipients prioritize and quickly understand the purpose of your message. For example, instead of question, use query about second quarter sales report. Always proofread your email for typos, grammatical errors, and clarity before hitting send. A well-written email reflects professionalism. Get straight to the point. Most people skim emails, so ensure your main message is easily digestible. Use bullet points for lists to improve readability. When sending attachments, always mention them in the email body. For longer documents, consider pasting crucial snippets or a concise summary directly into the email. This saves the reader time by allowing them to quickly grasp the most important information without needing to open the attachment immediately. Even in disagreements, maintain a professional and respectful tone. Avoid sarcasm or overly emotional language. Never respond in anger. In accounting, attention to detail is absolutely paramount. This means meticulously double-checking your work before finalizing anything. A highly effective method is cross-referencing totals. Compare the sum totals from different sources, such as a financial statement, a PDF report, or an Excel spreadsheet. This practice helps you develop a keen eye for discrepancies, ensuring accuracy and reliability in your financial data. Proactive learning. The accounting world is constantly evolving. Stay updated on new regulations, software, and industry best practices. Read industry publications, attend webinars, and consider pursuing certifications. Document everything. Get into the habit of documenting processes, common issues, and solutions. This creates a valuable knowledge base for yourself and your team. Remember, your first accounting job is a learning journey. Embrace the challenges, be eager to learn, and always strive for accuracy and efficiency. You've got this.